Hearty welcome. I have a small presentation. Last year also I did a presentation and taking it forward, whatever the events we have done, whatever the academics, how we have strengthened, how we have integrated the skill development programs. So I will give a word eye view what happened in last 1 year. So this is education should equip young people to shape an uncertain future. This is what this word is very, very important. We all are here to shape the future of the budding managers. This is MIT group of institutions. I would like to tell you, we got the permission from ministry. They declared MIT as a university. So they even asked us to start with the functioning of MIT University from 1st of July 2020 itself, but because of some constraints and because of some reservation aspects, the Honorable Governor of Maharashtra could not sign, and we are waiting for the approval from this July, that is July 2015. Most probably we will be starting as a MIT University, and telecom management will be the part of that MIT University. Right now it's the AICTE approved 2 years program. Now onwards it will be the MBA in telecom management plus AICTE approved program. So it's a two-way. MIT is a constituent of State Private University of Maharashtra State. So MBA plus AICTE approved, again it will be the dual program. So this is what the MITSOT will know. I did not to repeat, but this is AICTE approved. We started in 2007. That is the after the completion of 25th year. That is the silver jubilee year of the academic excellence. These are a few rankings. Recently, the CSR, we did the survey, it's a third-party survey, and we got the rank 21st in India. It's the best B-school survey by the graph for MBA specialist way. We also gave us a ranking. 2011, successfully we got A4. Now, the education and learning. We are expecting some brainstorming sessions on 3 topics which I informed you earlier. How we can, the assessment is one part, integration of the skills into the syllabus. University of Dundee, Aberdeen Dundee, and Robert Gordon University. From this year, from this academic year, that is 2014-15, we are launching the executive education program. And I am very happy to inform you that Rishi Kapal, he has consented and agreed to be with the MITSOT on the regular and full-time basis. So he will be heading all these executive education program from 1st of December onwards. So this is what we are proposing, the executive MBA. It's a 2 years. Requisite criteria will be the 2 years of work ex and graduation, particularly engineering. We are offering telecom system, marketing and finance. Duration is 2 years. It will be the weekend batches and it will be the 2 years program, that is MBA by MIT University. We are also starting the corporate training programs, FDPs and MDPs. These are the faculty development programs. On the corporate performance management, we have already identified one of the senior consultant from Infosys, and another one on the magical moves, use of ICT in these two, that is for the FDP, that is the faculty development program. These are the various MDPs we have planned in next 6 months on product management, project management, entrepreneurship, so on. Rishi Kapal will be the resource person for this. Last time also mentioned, MIT School of Telecom Management is the only institute across India who got accreditation from National Skill Development Corporations. So these are the faculties who got certification. Of course, Mr. Rishi Kapal was the master trainer from TSSC side, and all these faculties, again, this is the unique and first institution who got the accreditation for the faculty to conduct the various telecom training programs across India. And nowadays we are getting everyday call that send debut this faculty for the training program at various corporate levels and various institutional levels. So all these 5 faculties, actually there were 9 faculties but 3 participants or 3 registered candidates from the outside. We also got permission to conduct these job roles at MIT School of Telecom Management. There it is manager broadband, territory sales manager prepaid, and sales executive broadband. So we conducted the training programs. The students appeared, they got the certification. Not only that, they also got placed in the respective companies. So that was the outcome of this TSSC certification at MIT School of Telecom Management. These are the few glimpses. TSSC certified student, they are receiving the certificate for the territory sales manager broadband and territory sales manager. The person who is handing over this certification, he is the CEO of Telecom Sector Steel Council. Retired General Kocher, that is the name, distribution of certifications on the World Telecom Day. This is what we are focusing. People here, I mean to say the business school students. The first experience collaborative team-based learning, and that is we are conducting the various workshops and seminars. We are inviting the corporates to come and discuss with the students. Here are few glimpses. The Tech Mahindra, he conducted a workshop for the student, workshop from Infosys on finance. Then this again workshop across Pune they came and they discussed, they guided the students. And secondly, Price Water House PwC, and then we decided to continue with the Deloitte, and telecom leader of Deloitte is on our board. He is the advisor to the MIT School of Telecom Management. His name is Mr. Hemant Joshi, and we are doing this conference under his leadership. Last year the theme was Telecom enabling the growth and serving the masses. Mr. Anand Deshpande was the chief guest. We released the document. The students of MIT School of Telecom Management, they are helping out the Deloitte to prepare the report. They are doing the research activity. It's a primary level research activity under the guidance of the Deloitte top managers, professionals, and they are coming out with this report, and we have released that report. And this serves as a document. We are sharing this document with all telecom industries and all top institutions. The various next, Ashish, please welcome.
Oh, hi.
Financial growth, and Karthik was one of the panel members in that. So another from Yes Bank and from IBM and Avaya, of course, Karthik was. And final discussion was need of the hour, skilling our future by Telecom Sector Skill Council. So this we did for the benefit of the students. The students majorly they participated in it, and we integrated the program of Telecom Sector Skill Council into programs of TSSC for the benefit of the students. So this is how the media treated us, the media coverage by Times of India and ENA. We signed up with ITU, that is International Telecom Union, and from last 7 to 8 years we are celebrating a day called World Telecom under the aegis of ITU and Telecom Sector Skill Council Deloitte again. This time we came up with the concept of giving the awards to the best performers. So I will share what we have done in this. The ITU theme this time was broadband for sustainable development, and again the director for Deloitte, Mr. Nilesh Lahoti, opened up the talk. The CEO for Telecom Sector Skill Council, he was the chief guest, and we distributed awards on the day of World Telecom. It was basically the handset segment award. It went to the Oppo Telecom for their contribution. Another award for the retail business, the Telecom Dealership Excellence Award, went to the Ashish Sharma. He is the owner of Telecom Shopee. Third goes to the JT Mumbai. The category was Network Infrastructure Award. And fourth one was the Service Provider Training Innovation, that went to the Reliance Jio for the training in 4G and LTE. Passive infra segment, it went to the Indus Towers, and they participated into it. It includes ITC, Infotech, Avaya, Tech Mahindra, Fast Track, and VG Software. panel discussion was on HR technology advances will take away the human. Mr. Ravindra Deshmukh, he was the keynote speaker and he did the major work in arranging this finance summit, particularly on mobile money, and all the stakeholders, the Airtel Money, Idea Center, Bank of India, Deloitte, they participated in it. What is going, we school felt like going to an accelerator. So we are doing this event, flagship invitation to all of you there on this CII Deloitte Midsort Creative event, 13th February 2015, that is Friday, and Square Hotel Hyatt Regency. Students and faculty members, they are enormously contributing in developing the ICT projects. Few projects we did in 2008-2010. Then we also came out with the tablets for the NET survey for mobile handset business in Indian market for local. Our premier research product was Swingtail, which we launched for the rural education. Again, the first time in academic institution, we came out with a concept called mobile technology-based attendance system. The moment student is entering into the classroom, its attendance will automatically get updated. That is what the concept. And last time also discussed highway traffic management system. So this year, what we have designed is this roll call was mobile in MIT classrooms. That is the case at MIT School of Telecom Management. We started implementing it, and Times of India, Pune Mirror, they made the story on this. This is how it works. The app on your Google Play. It's a Midsort Android app. You can download it, and you will come to know what are the daily happenings in telecom sector. That is how it will be used. This is online student information system I was mentioning, developed by our in-house IT team. So if we click onto the first part, you will get this timetable for the individual faculty. The student can log on to it. All things is integrated at this LMS, and we are practicing this photographic attendance system. So again, on the smart board, faculty used to take who is present and who is absent for the semester examination. This is the project library. The two research projects are compulsory. The first we called it as the summer internship project, and second is research. Not a single title should be copied, or should not be repeating. So various access to the research projects by the students. We have the collection of more than 1,000 videos and DVDs, CDs on different management programs. So this library is also available for the students. This is very, very important that sustained innovation comes from creative communities of passionate and committed viewers members. And with this, I would like to welcome all of you.